Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight body part or muscle on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and for example, I'm going to highlight this body part. If we want to highlight body part or muscle, we need to prepare red background like this, or actually you can use another color, but I recommend you to use red. And I'm going to add this image to my project, my track, and I'm going to make it align with my video. And we're going to add mask to this image. So I'm going to go to the mask and I'm going to choose the circle mask. Okay, I'm going to click on add mask and select circle, and then we can adjust the size of the mask like this, and I'm going to put it on the body part. Okay, and then to make it more natural, I'm going to blend the red image with my video. So I'm gonna go to the video and select basic, and we're going to scroll down until we find the blend option, and we can choose the blend mode here. I'm going to select overlay or soft light. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. And wait, I'm going to adjust the value of the mask like this. The feather. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to make the highlight follow the moving object, you can use keyframe. Just add the keyframe to the image, and you can adjust the keyframe with the movement. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight body part or muscle on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!